Hi, it's Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm out doing a bit of exploring. What you can see, lots of stuff in there, no tourist bar or the tattoo bar. The place I'm going to go exploring, if I'm lucky, is the old bowling alley. So I noticed on my last walkthrough that there was a door open now at the front. If you listen carefully, you hear a dog howling in distress inside. Possibly in a different building, but I feel it's my civic duty to investigate. And I got the right camera this time. Oh, there's a key there. So let's have a look inside. I'll keep it on the daytime lens to start with. Well, I have the option of going. It smells a bit weird here. It's hardly surprising. So this is the old bar. Now, fortunately, I bought a nice torch, so we can go down here. And hope there aren't any waifs and strays living down here. Oh, I don't know if I'm ponging here now. Oh, these are the toilets. Whew. There's a door here which says push, and they are definitely the toilets. They've been in use as well. Oh, it is open. Oh, that's just more loos. So that's boring. Oh, might it just be that this is a bar and not connected to the... oh God, it stinks in here. Not connected to the actual bowling alley. I'm going to be gutted if that's the case. Oh, there's a hole there. I don't really fancy crawling through that way. Oh, looks like someone might have been sleeping here at some point. Potentially that's the way through, but I'm too old to be crawling into tight little cubby holes. There's a door here though, which looks like it's locked and someone's tried kicking it. Oh dear, it does hum though. Hums of sweat as well. So, unless there's a way through here, and that it's been blocked or something. Oh, there's a door here. Perhaps I can get through. There's a snooker cue on the floor. So that's, oh, there is a door there that's open. So I could get through this way. It's actually been sawed off, if you look. Just so you can see that. See? No, there's a door there. I can't justify going through there though. What's beyond here though? There's a door there. Perhaps this hole here needs a little bit more investigation. What do I do? Right, so what's in there? Oh, that gets you through. Now, would anyone object? I suppose I could. What the heck? In for a penny. Right. Bowling is what we want. Oh, there's more here. Physical distance. That's for COVID, so it wasn't that long ago. What's in this one? Lots of glitter on the floor. Glitter balls. And an exterior door there. They've shut it. So if they got COVID signs up, this place was open. I assume they're COVID signs. Not that long. So which way's the bowling alley? More toilets. How many times do they need to go to the loo when they're bowling? These are slightly more modern loos. Oh, okay. So here finally is the bowling alley. I have to say, it's not the kind of wow factor I was expecting. There's a bowling ball there. I'll show you in a tick. Have a pan round first. All the old TVs are still there, well most of them. Some have been smashed. All the flooring seems to have been taken up. There's loads of bowling balls, unsurprisingly, in pins. Give that one a kick. It's concrete floor, it's creaking a little bit, but I think there was something on top of it, yes. A great deal of bowling balls. And some people have been using it, go up a bit, as a camp. When I say a camp, a place to chill, I guess. A few beer bottles dotted around. Probably teenagers chilling out. But the bit with all the mechanism in, which is the spooky stuff that you see in the films, is that all open now? I don't think so. Seems to be completely stripped, which is kind of a shame. I don't know if my torch is even doing anything at the moment. There's an old computer keyboard. Right, I suppose what we could do is see what magazine or whatnot is lying around. 56k fax modem, that kind of dates the place. Just pan down so you can see that little historical box. I suppose you could have a souvenir bowling pin. So yeah, the entire mechanism, which I would guess is probably the most valuable part of a bowling alley. It seems to have gone. Caution, wear earplugs. Okay, I'll bear that in mind. So this is finally a look around the bowling alley in Bar Street. There's less of it than I imagined. It's still quite interesting. Lots of relics of the past. Why has that bowl got a line like that on it? It's like it's, I don't know. I don't know enough about bowling to be able to form a valid comment. Now what we've got to do is get out again. I didn't find that dog I could hear howling, so I presume that was a different building. But I had to check. I suppose I could see what's through here. There's a kettle there. Lots of glasses. Oh, saucers. What's down there? Oh, a little bit more. Not sure, to be honest. I'm guessing it's a kitchen though. Yeah, thawing of frozen food. No, big old freezer. I wonder what the pro shop sold. Oh dear. Oh well, that is that. I think I'll just make my way out now. Well, there might be, 2012 was the competition that they had here, according to that sign. So it's highly unlikely, but that was a COVID sign you saw. Because they wouldn't have had it open and still had a notice for a competition in 2012, would they? Surely not. No. I'm avoiding the loos because they did stink, which is fair enough because they're toilets. And I'll go back to my little hole. The torch can come into use again. Bear with me. Oh dear. What do you do for a living? Well, I didn't take any pictures, so I'm not going to now. I will rely on screenshots. One last look at the bar. I didn't need the night vision in the end. Pan the camera down a bit. But that was the bowling alley at Paphos. And I'm going to get a bit of fresh air now. Whew. Okay, cheers for watching. Oh, I better show you what it looks like from the other side of the road, I think. Excuse the sunlight. Oh, one way. There you go. Cockatoo's Bowling Alley. Thanks for watching.